Can you crack this code? Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are tackling a maths problem that is sure to test your maths skills. 20 minus 5 plus 3 times 2 plus 1 in parentheses. Now at glance, you might be tempted to go left to right. That is 20 minus 5, 15 plus 3 equal to 18 times 2 plus 1 is 3. 18 times 3 will give us 54. According to the question, this answer is not correct. In maths, there is something called the order of operation, which is PEMDAS or BODMAS, depending on your country. Put the one used in your country in the comments. Let's continue. P here stands for parentheses, which means bracket. The second one is E, which stands for exponent, 2 raised to power 2, for example. And the M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. You work from left to right. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. So, we work the one in parentheses first. That is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. We have a new equation, which is 20 minus 5 plus 3 times this 2 plus 1, like we said, is what? 3. Next, we work the multiplication. That is 3 times 3, and that will give us 9. We'll have a new equation again, which is now go left to right. 20 minus 5 will give us 15 plus 9, and 15 plus 9 will give us 24. As you can see, the correct answer is 24, not 54. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.